was gonna shoot a video of me rockhounding in my rock bed, but it's super cold outside. I'm gonna show you what happens to boiling water when it's 20 below zero. We're gonna throw the boiling water into the air, and it's so cold that it's gonna instantly turn the boiling water into snow. Come on, let's go do it. You should never do this without an adult, and you should never do this unless you're in an extremely cold climate.
All right, guys, we got our boiling water here, and we're gonna head outside.
Well, we're gonna work quick because it's cold. Your skin will freeze out here. Don't do this without an adult, and don't do this unless you live somewhere very cold. Here we go.
I've shown you how cold it is at my house. It's going to be this cold all week long. And because of that, I'm not going to be rockhounding because it's dangerous. I'm going to be bringing you opening mail with cats. See you soon.